My name is Marie-Pierre Laverdière. I'm the ceramics and sculpture technician. So today and all week we've been delivering kits for the remote courses in sculpture and in ceramics. Students registered in Studio Arts are coming here to collect their kits of material, including clay and including metal, wood carving kits, kitchen-friendly mold-making kits, also to be able to work from home.
I'm Robin Anderson, and I'm a fourth-year student at Concordia, and I'm here picking up my supplies for Ceramics 200. I'm currently living in 500 square feet with my boyfriend and our baby border collie. So it's a little crammed, but I'm just working on cleaning really well so that we don't get sick from the materials we're using.
It's been a challenge, so we started to discuss the materials that could be safe to work from home in July. So we had to order new materials, test them as well to make sure that they were compatible with our facilities for firings, for example. And in discussion with instructor as well, so rethink also the teaching. We've ordered material, we've made custom kits for each class and each courses. So we've packed, relabeled all those materials, and then deliver them today in September to students.
I think that this kit pickup is a really good arrangement, and I think it's a good way to be able to interact with the materials from home. We had to do safety training courses online, so I feel prepared and like I know what to expect when I'm working at home.
Oh wow, it feels like Christmas when we're delivering the kits. I think students are really excited to get their materials because everything was maybe a bit blurred before that. So getting a pack of clay, getting your colors, getting your tools makes it more real and ready to get your hands on.